Okay, so as I was saying, the connective is the tissues that connect the parallel anther lobes. Okay, so the food and the minerals, the water goes through the connective. Okay, because it has the xylem and the phloem tissues in it. No, here as we said, it contains the conducting strands. The conducting strands are nothing but your xylem and phloem. Okay, so the connective could be very small and it will be almost impossible to see, because the connective is so small, then the anther lobes will be very close to each other. Okay, then we call this as discrete. Okay, very short. Okay, very short connective, very short. Example is your Adha Toda Zelanica. Then the next, in Fusticia and the lime tree, the connective is called divariate because it develops in such a way, that the connective, if this is a connective, this is the anther lobes, it develops in such a way that the lobes are separated from one another. Okay, so divariate in the lime tree. Then in salvia, the connective is called as a distractile. Okay, where the connective is like a long stalk-like body placed crosswise on the filament separating the two anther lobes. Okay, so it is placed crosswise. Then one anther lobe is fertile while the other is abortive, is usually represented merely by a deltoid plate. Okay, so if this is the connective, okay, this is the connective, and this one is the anther lobe which is fertile, and this anther lobe which is sterile. So here this connective, we just call it as the deltoid plate. The connective may have some accessory, which, and it's called as appendiculate. Okay, it may have some appendages when it's called appendiculate. It is prolonged into a feathery appendix beyond the sagittate anther of oleander, and the appendage of Nerium, this is your water lily, it unites to form a staminal corona. Corona is crown. Okay, remember when we did the types of flower, corona means crown. Okay, if we go like this, maybe we can see here. The first one is the discrete. Okay, very short connective. You can hardly see the connective, discrete. Then the V-shaped one, remember, divariate. And then distractile is one which is sterile and one which is one is fertile, and one is sterile. Okay, then appendiculate in the water lily. Okay, here it bears some structures. Okay, some appendage. Okay,